welcome to Cakes and Conversations. Today we are making a fresh fruit cake. I will be soaking my vanilla sponges with simple syrup. The ratio of my simple syrup is 3 parts of water and 1 part of sugar. I already have some chopped fruits, whipped cream ready and Swiss meringue buttercream ready. I am damming the cake with Swiss meringue buttercream because it's quite hot and humid in the country that I stay. You can completely use whipped cream, that is your choice. And the center as a filling, I'm using whipped cream because fresh fruits pair very well with whipped cream. I am already assembling the fruits. So I have here chopped pineapples, kiwis, mango and strawberry. After I fill this, I dam them and the second layer of the cake goes, and we will repeat this for all the layers. You can use any kind of frosting that you make. This is Swiss meringue buttercream, but Ermine buttercream, which is the boiled frosting, or American buttercream goes very well for the same as well. You can also keep fruits as per your choice. If you do not like certain fruit, you can remove that. You can add some glazed cherries, you can add some peaches. That's completely your choice. And any kind of fresh fruit cake is being made like this. If you want to just make a strawberry cake, so instead of all the other fruits, you will just use strawberry, or a peach cake or a mango cake. But this is a mixed fruit cake, so we are adding all the type of fruits. I'm here using also tinned pineapples because any citrus fruit inside the layers will make your cake bitter. So we advise or recommend using tinned citrus fruits like pineapples, oranges. So if you are using tinned, it will not make any harm to the cake, or it won't make it turn bitter from inside. Coating the cake now. This just seals in all the crumbs. Once it's done, I'll be putting in the fridge to set for 30 minutes. Now we'll do the final coat. Applying the buttercream first on the top because I want to smoothen the top, as we are going to use ganashing plates to get the sharp edges. Once the top is smooth, I will be keeping my ganashing plate on the top and will continue on the sides. Keep any cake board of the same little bit bigger size. Basically this is a 6-inch sponge, so the ganashing plate size is 6.25 inches. Now we're just doing the final coat. You can always put excess cream and remove it later. We will be anyways scraping off the excess cream. So this is Swiss meringue buttercream on the outside. Only the filling is whipped cream. Once I'm happy with the finishing of the cake, I will be keeping in the fridge for almost 1 hour to set. Thank you so much for watching.